3, 2.
Lucky you can.
1. Boom.
No, neither one of us can zoom in for videos.
Shh, you're being too loud.
No. You just heard it.
I
think I see it.
thought I could zoom in.
Who are you getting
I see
these
2
for?
pieces, I think.
Nobody.
No, I
I
only
told
see
Anastasia I would get it.
Mommy, do the fireworks now. Oh, yeah.
Wow.
I see them too.
Dang it, she's texting me. Tempting not to text back.
Get this.
You can get them.
Ajax. Look at me.
It'll still record.
Look at me.
No.
John, look at me. And right.
Nadia, don't do that. You're going to fall off.
Okay. 10, 9, 8, 5, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off.
Please learn how to count.
Wow, it
That was
went
kind of
right
small,
there.
but that was, it was small,
It
but it
went
was cool.
somewhere else. I saw. Why can't you record this on 4th of July?
We will.
Because not all of us will be here on 4th of July.
Yeah, and this is like a goodbye present for all of us.
Who's not going to be here on 4th of July?
You guys.
Basically all of us.
I will.
No, you won't.
Yeah, you will.
Oh, you will?
I leave on the 6th.
I will be there too.
Whoa, wait.
Who else will be there? John, will you be there? 4th of July? Who are
No.
the people who are not going to be there? Nadia, look.
John.
Lightning bugs.
Interesting.
Where? I want to see lightning bugs. Oh, yeah, I see it. Like,
Oh, here's a
like,
firework.
I saw lightning
They're close
bugs.
enough.
Watch the.
Shh.
3, 2. I saw lightning bugs.
Stop. Slow down.
Oh,
that
I
was
love the ones like
awesome.
that. Those are pretty cool.
Guys, stop counting
It
down.
looks like the fireworks in Left 4 Dead 2 when like you shoot the box of fireworks. It goes shh.
Oh, yeah, I love those.
Yeah, those things are cool.
Can you do the fireworks that you have? Can you?
That's really deep.
This is.
Daddy's done with this
On
time.
4th of July. He's never seen them. Go! Wow!
These
Oh.
you can actually see.
Yeah, I accidentally missed
I
that.
saw that! I got what? There was like a.
John, look at this. I'm going to get the mosquito on tape.
I think the egg
Where is it?
fireworks.
Nowhere I should-
I just killed it.
Okay.
Yeah. No, I meant the fireworks. Oh, cool! I see your road.
Me too.
Can I see?
See?
What are you doing? You see me?
Me too.
Hi.
Okay, back up. Stand up. Stand up.
Then you won't see me.
Move. Yeah.
Hi.
These are very cool.
Here. Nicholas, look.
Hi.
Okay. A little to the right, to the left. To the left.
Hi.
A little to the right.
Are you
Okay.
taking his video or his picture? Because you know whenever you say you're going to take a picture of him, he starts dancing around thinking it's a video.
I took a video.
I go,
Are you ready to rock?
Yes, ready to rock.
Because we
John, hurry up. Record
because
this.
we have fireworks. That does not.
I like to move it, move it.
I like to move it forward. Oh yeah.
my phone is about to die.
It's a soda can. It looks like 6, 5. That is that a soda?
Oh, fountain.
Ah.
Oh, colorful fountain.
And higher.
Oh, that's even cool.
That is Christmas
Wait.
fireworks. No way.
Oh, that's cool.
That was beast.
That would be
better.
awesome if they're like
That was
a
the buy
dollar.
one, get two free.
I want this sound of peace.
Buy one,
Some
get
stores
two
and
free.
another store says buy one, get
You
one
stepped
free.
on it.
Dang.
Those are awesome.
Do that again.
Man, she's going to love these.
I stepped on it. Don't make sure to get me.
I will not get you.
Get me with that.
I will not get you.
Why are you? Really?
I need to tape something.
You need to record my
I
phone.
just found a part of that.
You're recording.
You're recording my recording.
That looks like a pencil.
Good idea.
In a stick.
This way it will be exactly the same.
Can I see one of the fireworks?
No, be quiet and get away.
Why you couldn't run a
Because I'm allowed to.
No, he's recording me record the road.
You can't even see the road. Look at that.
Oh, there is a bat.
There's a bat.
There's a bat.
Bat. I like bats.
Where?
There's a bat. All right, try to find
Thing
it.
flying.
I just.
I
saw
can't
it.
see anything flying.
Why do
I just did.
Where is
Oh, it's
it?
up there. It's up there. There it is. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes.
Why do you have
bat.
that?
What is
you
that?
Yeah, I know. Dude, when I went to camp last year, there was like a whole group of them. It was like a swarm of birds, but
I
it
know, I
wasn't a
love
swarm.
bats. Bats are so cool.
One time when me and Dad were in the back, we saw like
In
2 bats
McLaughlin,
flying.
this bat flew by my window, a fruit bat. It was like that big.
Why is there bats?
Because they eat the bugs.
Same thing with spiders. I called it
What?
first.
Bats are more interesting than fireworks, in my say.
I flew that way.
This thing for you.
I think it's on top of the tree. I don't know. Is it right there?
Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Up there. Up there. Up there. Oh.
Man,
happens if we hit it by a firework by accident?
that's
You're
not
not
gonna
going to.
happen.
Ladybug's cute.
That, Ryan, that happening is a chance of 1 in 0.
Ryan, you know bats
As
can
in
see?
never gonna happen.
You have that on.
Yeah. Also known as impossible.
You know,
Whoa,
Joey
whoa.
got points for arguing with me
Right there.
about that.
Ah!
What's coming up?
Dang.
We probably scared mom.
These are cool.
Probably.
Oh, and there's still more.
Let's get some Saturn missiles going.
Imagine if these were a penny each and it was buy one, get 15 free.
I'm gonna have to back up.
Imagine that's a penny each.
Oh, they're done. Oh, no, they're not.
Oh, come on.
Oh, sideways.
The penny
Barely. Oh.
Imagine.
Oh,
That was amazing.
it just like hit me.
Do it again. Do it again.
Do we have any more of those?
That was
I
awesome.
know. What kind was that, Fred?
Oh, that was cool. 96 barrel.
96.
Oh, is this another one? Oh, this looks like another one.
Cool.
7 missiles!
That scared me.
Saturn missiles, Saturn missiles, Saturn missiles.
Those things screech like hell.
I know. Why do you think they're called Saturn?
That's why.
I don't get it.
I don't get why they're not called Mars. Get it? Because Doom is hell. Or Mars
Oh,
is
yeah,
hell.
I love that.
Saturn missiles screech hell.
Yeah, I love that movie. Doom. Yep, Doom the movie.
I'm going to make some more.
I have games 1, 2, and 3. Well, you have games 1, 2, and 3.
I can do it. You want to switch? I can't do it.
Hold up, we're the bank robbery.
I just can't. Daddy, do that again. Do that again. After that, do that again. Do the wee. Can you do that again?
Yeah, wee wee.
Whoa, what is that? What does it say?
What is that?
What does it say? Dad, never do a fireworks when I'm Whoa, let's try a trick. When Daddy's done with that.
Whoa, the bat! Where'd it go? It flew around like a boomerang.
Maybe it was a boomerang the entire time.
Mommy, do you know what to
Nah.
Because I don't.
Boomerang.
What's a boomerang, Dad?
It's a
Not another one.
V-type.
Oh,
the heck?
Jumping jacks.
jumping jacks.
It's done?
Yeah, they were jumping jacks.
What's the bat? I'm gonna do a jumping jacks at jumping jacks.
A jumping jack for jumping jacks.
Nadia, if you do jumping jacks,
That just makes no absolute. Whoa, the bat again.
Where?
I don't know.
fireworks are illegal.
Went that way like a boomerang again. It flies out this way. It goes wee.
So you're gonna do I'm gonna do jumping jacks at jumping jacks.
Why can't you just let her be who she is and say what she wants? And if I have a problem with it, I'll correct it.
Daddy can correct it.
Testing, testing,
He's the
testing.
boss.
Whoa, the bat.
There it goes again.
Daddy
Oh, I
can
saw
do
it. It
whatever
flew
he
into the
wants.
tree.
Dude, I have to get this one. Can you look at the sky and get the picture of the sky?
Have in your mouth.
No, I can.
No.
I can.
Are you serious? Let me see. You can see the sky. I
Yeah.
hate you.
Thank you. At least I can get the bat if I ever find it.
At jumping jacks.
There he is. Oh, there he goes. There he goes. There he goes. There he goes again. That's one tiny bat.
I'm
I'm
gonna
gonna
keep.
laugh if it's a bird.
I'm gonna keep it there
It's
all
not a
night.
bird, it's a bat. No bats are really big because they're only about 2 inches long.
I don't care if it's
Wait, so is it a bat or a bird?
It's a bad bird.
Daddy gonna do
That's
It's a
those?
bad bat.
Fireworks o'clock.
It's a bad batter.
About from here.